Good morning, sir and students. Myself, Anis Sanjay Pawar from Mechanical Department for Ship B batch.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sandeep Suresh Kaur from Mechanical Department B batch. I am giving one example of consciousness.
First, definition. It means to the point, not less than required and not more than required information should be given.
Example: we have to study sincerely because the exam will start from 26 February 2024.
Thank you.
I am Jyoti Jokte from Mechanical Engineering First Shift B batch. Today I present the practical number 3 and my topic is correctness.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Pawan Patil, and I will also like to be represent the third C, that is the correctness.
The message should be true or correct. Don't provide the message wrong message and information. If you provide the wrong message and wrong information, maybe cause of very danger for your health, money, and time. For example, the men are at a work. For example, the men are at work. Here is men is which related to fight. Thank you.
This information is correct. The proper punctuation. It means correct information, correct grammar, punctuation, and spelling should be correct, passed properly. For example, the principal in college. In this sentence, the spelling of principal is PRINCIPL, but this spelling is not correct. Correct spelling of principal is PRINCPAL. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Raj Kanuja from Mechanical Department B batch.
And I am Soham Mhatre from Mechanical First Year B batch. Today's topic is C's of 7.
We are going to perform coherence. The coherence is one of the principle of effective communication from 7 C's, which means that a message should have a with each idea connected to the previous one.
An example of coherence in communication is organizing a message such that an idea flows logical whether it is spoken or in written form. It helps to ensure that the message is easy to understand. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Vimal Kumar Pandey, and he is my friend Mr. Jignesh Patel, and we are from Mechanical Engineering First Shift Second Batch. And today we are here to perform the third practical, which is about 7 C's of communication, in which the C we have taken is concreteness.
Concreteness refers to the quality of being specific, tangible, and easily understood, often involving sensory observable. Concreteness refers to the quality of being specific, tangible, and easily understood, often involving sensory experience and observer detail. It refers to the language refers to actual phenomena rather than abstract concept. For example, the incorrect sentence will be happiness is an elusive emotion.
And the correct sentence will be like, waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the sounds of birds chirping brings me joy every morning. So the next C will be continued by Miss Swani Laute and Shraddha Pawar. Thank you.
My name is Shraddha Pawar from Mechanical Branch B batch. Here I am performing a practical number 3, which is about 7 C's. I am taking a 6th C, which is about courteousness. It refers to the polite and respectful language and behavior. It involves maintaining professional and showing respect to others' opinion, time, and needs. If one follows the courteousness in communication, it results in a better understanding and relationship. Now the example will give my partner Suhani.
Hello David. Hello David. Your handwriting is terrible. That you become a doctor without using MBBS. Hello David. I really like your answer that you wrote on board. I really like thought provoking. Handwriting. Had a handwriting. A nice beat. बोलो. A nice beat. A bit nice would have been wonderful.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pranay Roshan Malsare. I am in Mechanical Engineering, first shift B batch, and he is my friend Raj Prakash Malik.
The completeness. The message should be complete. The message should be complete. It should necessary all the necessary information for the intended intended audience. The message should not send receiver back to the sender. Get more information. Example: the teachers say, "Students, you have a tomorrow holiday." About his incorrect sentence.
Complete message is teacher say you have holiday on 26th January as it is our Republic Day, but you all remain present in at 8 a.m. for flag hosting ceremony, and you go home at 10 a.m. should answer should have answer why, where, who, and who. Thank you.
Morning everyone, myself Arshada Patil from Mechanical Engineering first batch.
Good morning everyone, myself Manas Patil from Mechanical First Shift B batch. Today we are learning about clarity in presentation or practical.
Clarity in presentation that refers to the quality of being equally understood by the audience. It involves organizing your idea logically using clear language and provide sufficient explanation to enhance by the audience. A clear presentation to ensure that the audience the key point and main point the vision. So we are taken example of clarity.
At a PCO practical, you all have to wear a formal dress.
At PCO practical, you all have to wear a formal dress. If we wear a formal dress, we have confidence like professionals, and we are confidently give our presentation or any practical. Thank you.